Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joker88. Well, today's gonna be a little bittersweet day today, man. Check it out. Alright, so I said that today's going to be a bittersweet day. Why is it? Well, because, you know the garage where I park my Lambo? She's right behind me. But today's the day she's going to go. I sold the car, and, yeah, it's kind of sucky that, you know, I'm not going to have a Lamborghini. So it's not like I'm leaving the Lambo family. You know, so you guys will find that out in a little bit later. Alright, so, but before we go, let's just do a quick walk around of my Lambo. Orontia Borealis. Beautiful color, especially in the sun. You can see the sparkles. Classic car, you know, it's very timeless. We got the dark rims with the orange calipers, and I mean, just check out the interior. It's blinged out. It's Orontia Leonis with Miro a day. Beautiful car. And of course, you have that massive V10 power right there, right? And we got the 2B exhaust. Got the titanium tips. Well, it's been 3 years since I've owned this beautiful car, and it looks like 3 years is my cutoff point for cars. You know, I have my you know, my always cars. I have my Tesla, the 911, and a Cayenne, which I'm looking to getting rid of too, because I want to get a Cayenne hybrid, so which would be kind of cool, and the newer generation. So that's up in the works. So, but right now we're here for this. It's gonna be sad to see her go, but like I said, it's not that I'm leaving the Lambo family, and you will find out soon what I mean about that. No, I'm not getting a Lamborghini again, but in the future I will, you know, because one of my real dream cars would be the Aventador. So maybe one day an Aventador will not fit in this garage. They'll have to go in the other garage, the bigger garage. So anyways, my wife's going to join me here. We're going to have to, my deal is, I'm actually trading in the car. I am not, I sold the car to a dealership, part of a trade-in, so for my new supercar. So guys, man, it's bittersweet. I'm happy, but yet I'm sad, because that car was basically my first exotic. You know, I have many cars, supercars, and stuff like that, but nothing, right? Nothing takes away from a Lamborghini, right? But one of the issues that I really had was, man, I get so worried about like where I park it and stuff like that. Like sometimes I go out to the store, I'm worried about, you know, you seen those videos where those guys would go on bikes or skateboard, and they would like skateboard over the hood. What the hell is that, man? You know, freaking haters. So, no. So I've been worried about that. So, but this is a special one, and this will always have a special moment or a little special place in my heart, because, again, you've seen the videos of when I delivered it, and if you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's pretty cool, right? So I'll put a link on the description, and just follow. So it's really interesting to see how this new one is going to go, and I'm really excited to tell you guys, but I can't yet. I will tell you because we're going to head out there right now. Alright, so I'm gonna be joined by my beautiful wife. I know she doesn't want to go, but she's here to support, right? That's what wives do and spouses. So here we are. It's gonna be our last drive on our Lamborghini Gallardo. How do you feel about that, Mom?
I will miss her.
I told her.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
Right? Alright. So we're here, guys, at O'Gara. And made it safe, no issues. And here's my guy, Kyle. Kyle's the one that helped me out. That's me, Kyle.
How are you doing?
Alright, Kyle, so where's our car
Want
at?
to see it? Let's go for a walk.
Well, I thought we were doing this one right here.
That one? Isn't that what you're driving now? Close.
Now, I was telling Erica that the R8 is basically like a sibling of this.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's lower than your car.
Yeah.
Comfort-wise, the R8 is going to blow your Lambo out of the water.
Look at this, babe. This is the.
This is what you wanted.
Well, this is the one I wanted. This is the more expensive new one. This is the 720S.
In that color.
Yeah. Oh man,
Mirror
Like the
white.
sparkle.
it's amazing. And this is the MP12 McLaren. Yeah.
Please.
Thank you.
Do you guys like a water or a coffee?
She does. She
Water?
needs. Yeah.
Yes, please.
Medium water this way.
Okay.
Grab your-
Friday, California.
Ready?
Yeah, man. Oh, okay.
Watches video. He
Yeah.
spends a lot of time here.
Yeah, I know he does. Yeah.
Let's see what we got.
Very nice.
Oh my God,
It's got a big bow and everything.
dude.
Diana's gonna be so happy. She loves Iron Man.
Amazing. That's the Suzuka Gray. Wow.
V10.
Yep.
What's the Lamborghini? Is it also
V10. I'm telling you, this is what they call more like a gentleman's Huracan, right?
It's not as aggressive as your other cars.
Gentleman.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
You say it's not as aggressive now. Wait until it puts its foot down.
Now you have two white cars.
This is great, babe. So guys, this is it, man. I told you I wasn't gonna leave the Lambo family. This is basically, you know, they own Lamborghini. So I'm not leaving the Lambo family. We are just stepping up a bit. My car was a 2005 Lambo Gallardo. This is a 2017 Audi R8. Not the Plus. Audi R8. Oh my God! Look at that contrast stitching.
It's sleeker than his other.
Holy cow! Carbon fiber trims on it. God.
I'm just surprised he's 17.
Look at the, when you sit in, does this have the carbon package on the, it does! Oh my God!
A stripper. She has a big window.
Oh my God!
Carbon blades.
And it's got the lights that lights up the illuminated, oh son of a bitch. Alright, so as long as the key's in the pocket, we're good? Mom, you gotta hear this. You ready?
Are you in? Hey, drive select.
Do I have to close the door? Put on dynamic?
Yep.
It's on dynamic. Is it warm already?
Yeah, she should be warm.
Okay. Hey Mom, record this sound. Record this sound on your video.
I'm not videoing.
Want me to get you?
Yeah.
Hold on. Go for it.
What? Oh my God!
What you got?
Got an R8, man, from my buddy Kyle.
Let me hear it one more time.
You are still in my mind. The truth is so hard to find. With all the things that's going on, I lost track, I felt so strong. I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of, dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you.
Okay, this car has launch control. Okay, so I step on the brakes, I gun the gas. Ready?
Oh my God. That was crazy. That was a little nuts.
Launch control.
Like literally the street came zooming at me.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my God.
Oh my God.
That was a little, woo, that was insane. So worth the price you paid?
For the launch control. Oh my god.
I still need you. What this is about feelings that come to the back. 'Cause I still need you. I still need you. I've been wondering what this is about feelings that come to the back. 'Cause I still need you. I still need you.
Alright guys, well what do you think? Wasn't that awesome? I told you I wasn't going to leave the Lambo family. So, actually, these guys own Lamborghini. So, we still got the Lambo in the family. And what we're going to do guys is do an unboxing real soon, alright guys? So, I will talk to you guys later and we'll do a whole walk around on the Lambo, on the Audi. Hi! We're gonna do a whole walk around on the Audi once we have everything all set up. Do an unboxing for you guys. Don't forget to click that like button and hit the subscribe if you haven't, so I can keep you guys in the loop with a new 2017 Audi R8. I'll talk to you guys later. This is Joker88. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.
Real